Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I help you become debt-free by using digital coupons. Today, we're going to Walgreens and I'm going to show you how I'm scoring $80 worth of products for about $7 out of pocket after all of my rewards, and we're earning cash back on top of that. So if you want to save money on your family essentials using only your phone and be able to pay off your debt at the same time, you should definitely hit that subscribe button and stick around. Below in the description box is a free printable breakdown. You can take it to the store and do any of the deals on products that you actually need. Please do not just do deals to do deals. Do not fall into that trap. Now, this week, I did not get any digital booster. I don't think many people did. If you did, you're lucky. Let us know in the comments what digital booster you got. So this is the perfect week for me to show you how you can then use the rewards that you've been earning and roll them into 2 transactions. That's it. We're not going to be here all day. We're going to be in and out of the store in 2 transactions, and how you can use that to save money on products that you actually need. We're grabbing some paper products today, my favorite body wash and bar soap as well. And there's so many great deals. There's some deals on Huggies too. If you need some diapers, you can definitely stock up this week. So below in the description box is a bunch of other resources for you guys. And on Wednesday, I'm gonna be going live showing you my exact process for how I'm on track to be debt-free this year. I've been using a simple 5-step process for the last couple of years. It's super easy and it uses only your phone. So if you guys want to learn and be able to do the same thing, you should definitely click that link in the description and reserve your seat. I do a Q&A at the end as well, so I can answer any and all questions that you guys have. So I will see you guys there. Let's head inside to Walgreens and take advantage of some really easy deals this week. The first deal we're going to do is on Pantene products. So these are on sale for $5.49. The pumps are $7, some of them are $8, so they're all varied. And we're going to be grabbing a couple different products here. Plus, buy 3 in store, get a $4 register reward. Online, you'll earn back $4 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to grab 2 of these and clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. The third product we're gonna grab is the Miracle Rescue Shots, which I actually need because my hair is so freaking dry right now. They're $8 and we have a $5 off 1 digital coupon. So these are the 3 products. After the coupons come off, you'll pay $10.98, earn back the $4 register reward, makes it $6.98 for 3 of them, or about $2.32 a piece. The next deal is on Dove products, but fair warning, we always have issues with the digital coupon coming off. So I'm gonna show you the deal. However, I scanned all of these on the Walgreens app. I added all of them to my cart to see if the 4 off 2 digital coupon would come off. It would not come off. It kept showing coupon available, but I've already clipped the coupon. So then when I click on it, it wouldn't clip it. So I'm not gonna deal with that nonsense at checkout. But if you have a type that does work and attach, definitely let us know in the comments so you guys can grab the right ones. They're on sale this week for $5 a piece for the smaller ones. Buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Plus, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that's supposed to attach. You're gonna wind up paying $6, get back a $4 register reward, makes them $2 for 2 of them, or $1 a piece. If you need diapers and your babies are in pull-ups, then you can grab 2 of these pull-ups and 2 of the Huggies boxes of wipes for $8 a piece this week. So here's the deal. They're on promotion, 2 for $21, and buy 3 of them in store, get a $5 register reward. So if you grab 2 of the pull-ups, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, and we can submit to Ibotta for 75 cents cash back each. Now you have to buy at least 3 products, but to get the sale price, we're gonna grab 4. So we're gonna grab 2 of these boxes of wipes as well that are 2 for $21. We can also submit this to Ibotta for 25 cents cash back each. So these are the 4 products that you can grab. Total is $42. After the 3 off 2 digital coupon comes off, you're gonna pay $39 out of pocket. Now you can pay with any register rewards or Walgreens cash or both to lower your out-of-pocket cost. You'll earn back the $5 register reward plus $1.50 from Ibotta and 50 cents from Ibotta. Makes your final cost $32 for all 4 products, or $8 a piece. These go for like over 11 something at Walmart, and these are $10 each at Walmart, so still better than paying full price. You know we always have some amazing oral care deals, so if you need some toothpaste, this week Colgate is on sale for $6. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward. And we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon in the Walgreens app. You'll pay $7, earn back the $5 register reward, makes your final cost $2 for 2 tubes of toothpaste or $1 a piece. Perfect stock up price. If you prefer Crest or you want to grab both deals, Crest this week, select ones are on sale for $4. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward. You can grab 3 of them, that'll bring you to $12. We have a 3 off 2 and a $1 off 1 digital coupon, so clip them both, that'll save you $4. You'll pay $8 out of pocket, earn back a $5 register reward, makes it $3 for 3 toothpaste or also $1 a piece. We also have amazing deals on Airwick products this week. So the 2-count refills are on sale for $5.99 for 2 of them. Grab 2. We have a buy one, get one free digital coupon that's gonna take $7 off at checkout. Plus, we can submit to Ibotta. We're gonna earn back $1 each. That'll give us $2 cash back. Our final cost is gonna be just $1.49 a piece, which is an amazing deal. These are $6 at Walmart. Next deal we're doing is on the Essential Mist refills for $5.99. We have a separate buy one, get one free digital coupon. Plus, we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1.25 cash back each. That makes your final cost $2.48 for 2 of them or $1.24 a piece. Now let's get into the insane paper product deals that we have this week. First, we're grabbing the Puffs and Bounty. These are on sale for $6.99 each. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward. So grab either one of these. We have a $3 off 1 digital coupon, which is such a high value coupon, so clip that. I forgot to record this part, but you're also getting a Bounty 2 equals 6 rolls that's included in the deal for $6.99, and we have a $1 off 1 digital coupon. So this week, there's no digital boosters that I know of. I didn't see any online and I don't have any on my account. If you have a digital booster, please let me know down below in the comments. So these are the 2 transactions that I'm gonna do personally to use my rewards and roll them to keep my out-of-pocket costs low on the products I actually need. Total for all of these in my first transaction is $44.98, which first of all is insane. But that's why we coupon and stack our deals, because you know we're not paying that out of pocket. I have $15 worth of digital coupons, plus I'm using a $5 register reward that I earned from last week. That'll bring me down to $24.98. I'm gonna use $20 in Walgreens cash, pay $4.98 out of pocket, and get back a $10 register reward for the Shea Moisture deal and a $4 register reward for the Pantene deal. I'm then gonna roll those rewards into my second transaction, so let's take a look at that. And this is gonna be my second transaction. Total for these products is gonna be $37.94. After all the coupons come off, plus I'll be using the $14 in register rewards that I just earned, I'm gonna be left to pay only $5.94 plus taxes out of pocket. But then I'm gonna earn $4.50 cash back for all of the Airwick products. That makes my cash cost for this transaction $1.44. Plus, I'm still gonna earn back the $3 register reward that I'm gonna save for next week's deals. Let's go check out. I'll let you know step by step how everything went and if we have any unwanted surprises. All right, we are back in from Walgreens. The only issue I had is the $3 register reward did not print from the Bounty and Puffs deal. So he did go ahead and give me back $3 in Walgreens cash, which is the equivalent. So no big deal there, but I did want to give you guys a heads up. So let's go over my receipts. First transaction, everything I showed you guys in the video, used the $5 register reward I earned from last week. All the digital coupons came off of the products, rolled $20 in Walgreens cash, paid $4.98 plus taxes out of pocket. And then I did earn back the register rewards from this deal, the $4 and the $10 register reward, which I then immediately gave back to the cashier with the products from my second transaction. I did the Puffs. Oh, that's why. Okay, I thought it was a little weird. So he did not ring in the Bounty. So what happened was, and okay, I'll explain it in just a second, but that's why the register reward didn't print. He didn't ring in the Bounty, so then in the system's eyes, I only got one of the 2 products needed. Well, that's a bummer. Okay. So mine's gonna be a little different than what it's supposed to be, but all the digital coupons came off. These are the register rewards. These are those $7 buy one, get one free coupons. Would have paid just taxes out of pocket. So I did. And then obviously the $3 register reward did not print. So here's what happened. We went to the first register and I gave him the products and then he scanned them so quick when I was typing in my phone number, then I went to give him the register reward, but he had already went forward. So then he went to go back. Well, that kills the system. And now it's going to take you like 5 minutes for the receipt to print. It just like bogs the system down and it can't handle it. He's like, you know what? No worries. Let's just head over to the other register. Voided it. He grabbed the products, went to the other register. So I was like, perfect. We did that. Then he forgot to scan that second product because some of them were already in bags. So yeah, it got a little crazy. And I wasn't obviously paying attention either as he was scanning them because I was then giving the register rewards and videotaping the checkout screen and all of that kind of stuff. So that's what happened. So the $3 register reward may print for you, but of course you got to make sure that both of the products are ring in. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. Next thing I did is submitted over to Ibotta for my second transaction. Got back $4.55, which is 5 rebates towards my bonus. There we go. Why am I so washed out? You are frustrating me. Come on, focus on me. There we go. So my bonus for this week is $3 for 15 rebates. My weekend was 5 for 10, so it was an easier, better bonus, but I do not coupon on the weekend. That is my family time. Plus, we did so much landscaping. We redid my entire front yard. It took us 2 days. It was insane. We planted 4 palm trees. Like, it was crazy. So that's what we were doing. I'm not going to go couponing. So I was like, the fact that I got a 5 for 10, no worries. I got 3 for 15. So tomorrow I'm going to be going over to Walmart. We have so many grocery deals, free food deals that you guys can do. So definitely stay tuned on my channel. I'll be posting that tomorrow. Most importantly though, let's head home real quick. We're going to track our spending in our budget spreadsheet. You've got to make sure that you're tracking your spending. That's part of the 5-step system that I use. And it doesn't have to be complicated. It can take you 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly how I do it. Let's head home. Now that we're back home, we have our digital budget spreadsheet pulled up. If you don't have a budget spreadsheet and you want mine, I'll link it for you guys. It's $9.99, one-time payment, and you can use this and copy it for literally the rest of your life. It also has video trainings to teach you how to use each of the tabs. It's super easy once you get it set up. Plus, it has a specific couponing section with most budget spreadsheets that I found did not incorporate. So that's why I built this one myself. When you get to the coupon budget trip section, we're under April, right? So this is where we're logging all of our other stuff. Coupon trips is in a separate section. So what we're going to do is put in the date. It's 4/27. And from the drop down, you're going to pick the store. Sale price, we're going to do 1 line per receipt. We have 2 receipts. We're going to do 2 lines in this spreadsheet. So the first transaction, the product value was $47.97. That's with all the sale prices. Out of pocket, I paid $8.13, including taxes. Cash back on this one, I did not get any cash back. My next transaction is $30.95 worth. Because he forgot to ring in that other $6.99, I just deducted that out of the sale price because you want everything to be accurate. Out of pocket on that one, I paid $2.12, and cash back, I got $4.55 cash back. So now everything is going to update in total. Shows that I've saved 78% so far this month on everything that we've grabbed, and I've saved $827.11 by using digital coupons and stacking my deals the right way, using that 4-layer stack system that I was talking about a little bit. So this Wednesday, when I go live, I'm going to be talking about that and breaking it down more step by step. What are the 4 layers that you need to stack, and my simple 5-step system for how to then be able to apply this directly to your debt. That's how I'm going to be debt-free this year, and I'm so freaking excited about that. It's been years of trying to pay off my debt because I didn't have a simple plan before I came up with the strategy. So it's honestly been a godsend, and I'm going to be teaching it to you guys on Wednesday. So if you want to reserve your seat, you can click the link right here. If you're not subscribed yet, click my face icon here, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Thanks. Bye.